Tired of constant mowing, watering, and fertilizing your lawn? Traditional grass lawns are high maintenance and resource draining. What if there was a greener, easier way? Introducing the Clover Lawn Revolution. Clover lawns are taking over in 2025, and for good reason. They're low maintenance, eco-friendly, and perfect for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Clover requires less water and fertilizer than traditional grass, making it a sustainable choice. It also attracts pollinators like bees, supporting local ecosystems. Installing a clover lawn is simple and cost-effective. With minimal effort, you can have a beautiful green lawn. Once established, clover lawns require little maintenance. Occasional mowing and watering are all it takes to keep it thriving. Clover lawns are affordable to install and maintain. By choosing Clover, you're making an eco-friendly choice that benefits the planet. Meet Emily, who transformed her lawn into a clover paradise. Emily shares her journey and the positive impact on her lifestyle. Ready to make the switch? Start your clover lawn today. Like, share, and subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips.